In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check usage of resources in Hostinger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. We begin at the very start, where you first visit the Hostinger website, a platform designed to help you bring your ideas online with a tailored website solution. Once you arrive at the site, take a moment to get comfortable with the homepage, which serves as the gateway to all of Hostinger's services. After you have landed on the Hostinger website, the next action is to click on My Account. This section is where you can access your personal and account details. The My Account area is your central hub for managing different aspects of your hosting services, settings, and billing information. Once you have successfully clicked on this option, you will be directed to a page that provides you with a comprehensive view of your account information. From there, proceed to the Home section within Hostinger. This page is typically labeled as Home or may include the Hostinger branding, and it gives you an overview of your hosting environment. When you are on the home page, you will see various options that allow you to access different functionalities within your account. The next step is to click on Websites. This section is specifically dedicated to managing the websites you have created or are in the process of building on Hostinger. It is important to click on the website section to focus solely on the tools and settings that relate directly to your online presence. Once inside, you will notice an option to view your website lists, which provides a detailed roster of all your connected sites. This list organizes your websites in a way that makes it easy to locate the one you wish to check resource usage for, especially if you manage multiple sites. After selecting your website from the list, navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard is the control center, where you can see a range of information related to your website's performance, including resource usage. On this page, you can monitor vital statistics that help you understand how your hosting plan is performing in real time. Moving forward, the next focus area is the hosting plan. Here you find all the information regarding your subscription and the detailed plan that you are utilizing. This part of the process is essential because it links directly to your resource management. Once you are within your hosting plan area, you will locate the resources usage section. This is where the detailed report on resource consumption is available, allowing you to track your site's CPU usage, memory consumption, and other relevant usage statistics. Finally, to ensure that you have the most accurate and up-to-date information, click on Recalculate Usage. This action refreshes the data displayed in the resources usage section, so you are looking at the current state of your account's performance. Following these steps carefully will allow you to confidently monitor and manage your website's resources, ensuring that your online presence runs smoothly at all times. Thank you for following along with this guide. Enjoy exploring the capabilities of Hostinger and making the most out of your hosting environment.